Guys, from Westbrook farm down here in Shropshire. Gizzy sitting after he's had his bit of brekkie, haven't you, Giz? And guess who's up there? Is that bed okay? Nice and comfortable?
Yeah.
Added all to herself last night. Oh, Jessica. She's got to go in a minute now because she's going dancing, because she's a dance teacher, street dance teacher. It's for Street Dance Telford, so a little shout out for Street Dance Telford this afternoon. Just putting some choreography together for later on's class that she's taking. So
if there is something we need, it's a leap of faith, a step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there.
Guys, from Westbrook farm down here in Shropshire. Gizzy sitting after he's had his bit of brekkie, haven't you, Giz? And guess who's up there? Is that bed okay? Nice and comfortable?
Yeah.
Added all to herself last night. Oh, Jessica. She's got to go in a minute now because she's going dancing, because she's a dance teacher, street dance teacher. It's for Street Dance Telford, so a little shout out for Street Dance Telford this afternoon. Just putting some choreography together for later on's class that she's taking. So yeah, here we are, Westbrook farm here in Shropshire, just down by Ludlow. We'll give you a tour around in a minute or two, all around the site. But there's little Vinny parked up there, the Vinster. The block, toilet block and showers over there, which are good. There we are. Now the ivy. A nice hard standing gravel pad. Bit drizzly this morning, never mind. Winter's coming on now, October, so we expect it. We've got the old night heater running, so it kept us nice and warm this morning. It was alright last night. They had the heater going on in there as well. Giz, get in, come on, in. Gizzy, get in, Giz, come on. Go in, Giz. Gizzy trying to escape. Always put them on the lead, guys. Always hook them up. Here. They don't run off then. If he sees another dog, he'll be Rambo for 5 seconds. Sorry about this, guys. There you go. Hooked up. So, yeah, we'll catch you down by the River Team in a minute. The River Team's just over the back there. There's a pub just over there, but we'll take you for a walk down there in a bit. So, catch you in a minute. A bit windy, yes? There's the pub we're going to a bit later on. It's the bridge. Walk across through that gate there, then the walkway and across the bridge to the pub. It's the River Team. Apple trees everywhere. Cider country. They're all on the floor, starting to be the time of year for picking. So yeah, we're going to have a walk along the footpath there at the side, then across the bridge, have a look over at the pub, we'll walk down the river, see what's about here. Catch you in a bit. Morning again, guys. So as I promised, I'll give you a bit of a tour of Westbrook Country Holiday Caravan and Motorhome Park, a 5-star in the top 100 caravan sites for the UK. They're listed in. It's a good site. The information, all the what to do around the area, books and booklets. That's the reception. When you came in last night, we had on that board there, arrivals. If you arrive after, I think it's 6 o'clock, it's on there for you, so you can just pick it off the board, find out which pitch number you're on. Obviously do gas bottles, propane, telephone box, kids play area, play football and park as well there, so it is kids as well. I think this is the owner's place. Got this chalet here. They also do, I think they do repairs and sales of caravans as well, because just here on the left hand side, as you see, there's a couple of caravans for sale, which were lit up last night, the lights out at night, which was good to see when we come in. For sale there. Bit of a parking area. They do all the repairs, and that's what I was thinking. They do repairs and caravan repairs in there. Not a massive site, but it's a nice, quiet, dog-friendly site. All hard standing gravel or concrete pads, pitches. These are them vans. They do vans and camper vans for sale, but obviously only a couple of caravans at the moment. Westbrook Holiday Park, just outside Ludlow, going on the Leominster Road. So here you have, all lit up at night, all tarmacked, which is nice. You've got the all the parks, see, all the facilities. You've got the hookup, you've got aerial, sewerage, grey water obviously, electrical hookup points, gravel standing, some are concrete. And you come round here, there we are, part there is Ivy, was there the night. Little Vinster was here last night, obviously with us, the Mercedes Vito. Yeah, Jess, Soph and Lewis gone back to Telford. It's alright, we're just looking where it was parked there then. So yeah, well, yeah, Jess, Soph and Lewis gone back to Telford because Jess is a street dance Telford teacher, so she's got to teach this afternoon, so she's gone back to do that. Possibly come back later tonight, I don't know. So what we got here then is chemical waste laundry. There's even a laundry here, which is good. Toilet blocks, good showers as well. I haven't used them yet, but I see there's good showers, clean, nice and warm at night when we went in last night. So there's men's and ladies toilet block, showers in, toilets. So yeah, just quickly show you. Cleaning team here, I think, at the moment. Give you an idea. Nobody in? Yeah, so okay. So yeah, it's facilities. COVID at the moment, obviously all blocked off. Toilets, showers, sinks, wash, showers at the back. Walking in, and there you go, all on. So yeah, nice, clean, tidy, aren't they? Very nice, very fresh, warm at night because obviously the door's shut. There's heating on there. Yeah, we'll just carry on quickly around here. Motron was there last night, he's gone now. Hire one, M5 caravan, motorhome hire. Was last night parked there. There was a hire camper van. He's just doing a one-nighter and away again. So yeah, that's all these gravel pitches and concrete pads. Quite reasonable as well. We found this on the site again, Pitch Up. And I think it was only about £28 from memory, £29 for each night. It's for the art standing, all facilities, the showers, facilities, and obviously the toilet block, everything, and also the electric hookup as well. So that's alright, that's good. Yeah, there's a few here. Where are we on? 24th today of October, Saturday, 24th of October. Been raining for a while, so I just it's only just stopped, so I'll just nip out, have a look around quickly before we disappear off for a walk down by the river with a team. Yeah, Team Valley Motors. That's back from years and years ago, when the first vehicle lorry that I had when I was a Bedford TK, which used to be a hire vehicle from Team Valley Motors, a hire company. It was the very first TK I had. So yeah, that's going back some years. That was just from up the road in Ludlow, that was from. But yeah, here we are, entrance going into yeah, it is the entrance going to the park area. So it's like the dog walking park and down to the river. There's a team, even hand sanitisers and what have you here, dog walking. This is crabapple apple trees everywhere by the looks of it. Look down, people walking down there. We'll have a look after. But this is obviously cider area, cider growing area, isn't it? Down into Erwich and that. So there is actually a cider brewery place quite close. So I'll have to have a look at that, see where it is. Perhaps sometime we'll have a look. But yeah, here we are down here. You've got all these benches and what have you for sitting in the summertime. It'd be nice. Apples everywhere. Look, apples. Crunch, crunch, eh? Yeah, apples all time of year, all falling down. It's a shame, isn't it? Your mum will be here picking them up, wouldn't you, mum? Hey? let's get some apple pies on the go. More like cider. There's the River Team. Yeah, you walk. I think the walk itself to go to the pub, which is just there, look. Which you might see in another bit before or after this, I don't know, because Jess was down here before she went. We've just come for a quick walk down, so she'll be in a minute, no doubt. Jess? Yeah, I was saying before, the pub's there over there that we're going to go to tonight. Hopefully if it's open, because it might not be open. There we go, Westbrook, I guess, private land. They keep everything nice and clean and tidy and presentable, don't they? It's a good site, this is. It deserves to be in the top 100, definitely, and they're trying to get obviously into the top 100 for the 2021, which is, they deserve it. Apple trees here. Wow, I've never seen so many. Loads of them. We've got the river there, coming down under that arch bridge. A Fergie tractor over there, you probably can see that with monument thing, whatever you want to call it. Don't you just love that sound? Flowing water. So yeah, through here, that gateway, there's a walkway. Yeah, that's it. You go walking then down past where all them white and red ballards are. That must be for a night when you had a few going back over the bridge and across, so you know where you're going. Apple trees again in there, apple orchard, look. Quick gander. Yeah, apple trees, all loads of them there. Well, they don't harvest all that, unless they do. They like it all on the floor though. What a waste. Apple pies and cider. So yeah, for now we'll leave it there. I'm going to go back to the van, and Claire and I and Gizzy will go for a bit of a walk, I suppose. Maybe back over here and over the bridge, down by the pub, just have a look, see if it is open for later. Perhaps have something to eat there tonight. So, catch you later. We are a bit later in the day now, and with Claire and Giz.
Morning.
Gizzy thinks these are footballs. The apples.
Oh,
Oh no, you can't eat it as well. Loves this, doesn't you, Giz? Hey? A football he can eat? No.
I like apple.
Oh. He went too far then, didn't he? There's apples everywhere on the floor here. Everywhere. Look at the size of some on that one there. Look at that, guys. It's a lovely size one. Isn't that?
That's a nice apple.
I'm not going to eat it. And you got the little ones.
Oh, it's a bit
Make some good apple pies, wouldn't they? What a waste. Be nice cider, that wouldn't it? Cider. Crab apples, little ones on there, all different ones. And that orchard we were in earlier. Kids, eh? You know what these are for, don't you, at night? These markers across here.
So when you're drunk you can see red?
So you can see when you come from the pub when you're drunk, you can stagger across here each one and you're alright then. Because otherwise you're down there in the drink. So I was saying earlier to these guys, look at all these apple trees, orchard.
You have to duck or drop and hit you on the head.
Ooh, there's an old Morris. Morris, not a miner, but a Morris of some sort. It could be a pickup even. Gee, barn find. Somebody's planning a bonfire there, aren't they? Yeah. That's not far away. Isn't it tonight? Is change the clocks?
Yeah.
Tonight?
Go back.
They go back, don't they?
Yeah.
Saturday today, 24th?
Yes.
So yeah, clocks will go back. Don't want to go much further back this year, do we, eh? Good God, we want to get rid of 2020 as soon as possible.
Rather it go forward a few months.
Yeah, no, get rid of it. Not been a very good year all round, has it, guys? At all. Yeah, it looks like somebody's bonfire. There's that road we were on about where you walk up here then back to the site at night or whenever. Nice orchard. Few trees there. A Land Rover as well, the side of it. Didn't notice that, all green. You probably can't see it on here, but there's an old Wolseley or Morris of some sort and a Land Rover next to it. Barn finds. Busy road by looks. Don't know whether this pub will be open because what time is it now? 1:45, so it's not good morning, it's good afternoon now. See if they're open tonight, because on the pamphlet, paperwork, whatever instructions were saying that a lot of the pubs local are closed due to COVID, and they're doing takeaways. So last night we had Lewis and Soph and Jess went and found a chippy. We had a good chippy, didn't we, last night? It was good.
Yeah, nice.
Nice chippy, nice chips. So that was good. So we're going to have a Chinese, but couldn't find one really close enough. And it's pushing on for 9 or just after, and they lock the gates after 9, so I thought better find something close. What's this road here? Because getting a bit short gears, eh? Teamside, that's Teamside, that must be the pub then. The Teamside pub. I was saying to the guys on here earlier on that the first lorry that I bought was a Bedford TK. Steve Robinson will know this one. CTA 313T. Still remember the reg? And that was from Team Valley Rentals Motors. Them old barns over there. Barn finds. Yeah, it was a Bedford TK 7.5 tonner, which I ran for a few years when I was like 18. This was so a few years ago. And that was used on concrete pipes and armour flow for Johnson Pipes Concrete out of Doseley in Telford. And a little before that, the first one I had was a bit old VW pickup. The first one, 3.5 tonner. So yeah, it's the Teamside public house. That's that little Fergie tractor unit. Fergie, talking about lorries. Fergie tractor. Is it petrol or a diesel? Don't know whether it's open or not, is it? Have to have a look. It says closed there, yeah. I mean, look at the little Fergie tractor. Yeah, that's a petrol paraffin, could be. So yeah, that's a nice little Fergie petrol. Dad doesn't know which one that one is exactly. Caution please, wait by the parking bay and wait for your order. So they're doing the takeaways as we thought. It's on there. So it might be just to do a takeaway tonight. From here maybe? Have to see. You're getting up on the old interwebs. The old internet. See what it says. Outside area, bit of a little football pitch and that's a nice say greenhouse, it isn't. Sunroom.
Right.
You alright? Yeah, just finding whether you're open tonight or not. Are you open tonight? Is it just takeaways?
It's just takeaways, I'm afraid.
Is there a way of getting onto your menu? I'm trying to look on you to see if I can get onto your menu.
I'll grab you a menu. Are you on the caravan park?
Yes, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
I did see one.
the landlord or the owners come out just to get us a menu. Gonna give us so that I was on about. It's a sunroom, isn't it? Nice big sunroom. So yeah, we're gonna wait for them to come back out and get us the menu for the night. Catch you in a bit, guys. Bye for now. Guys, there's a nice landlord there of the team side in pub here at just by the caravan site that we're at. What he's just said is obviously why this COVID's going on at the moment. There's actual electrical hookups there. So if any camper vans, obviously because it isn't a big car park, but anyone with the camper vans want to come in and park up, you can't have a drink at the moment because they're only open for takeaways, but they're doing takeaways delivery to the campsite that we will do, which is good of them. Or if they want to just come in and park up, this is fine at the moment. Obviously it doesn't matter. So yeah, here you are, the team side in, just outside Ludlow by the Westbrook camping site. Catch you later. Just to give you a location on that pub there, which is on the A456 between Little Hereford, Little Hereford and Tenbury Wells. That's the 456. That's where that pub's located. Just there. Just looking at the river here. And big old anchor blocks or something. Them slabs there. There's something across there. There's one, two. There's the third one. There's another up there. What them have been for. Something stupid like years ago was a Ford used to drive across. Who knows? Them old farm buildings there. Yeah, the team side pub. What a nice guy. Anything to help pubs out, the publicans at the moment. We've got to do it. Especially us camper vans. If where we can park, and they'll let us park, and obviously use the facilities. That's got to be good. And obviously it's for free. Just can't have a drink with them because they're closed, but food wise they're serving, and they give 10% off as well, especially on the site here. It says they give 10% off for being on the site, and they deliver. Can't be bad. So there you go, look, just quick. Brimfield, Wolverton, Tenbury Wells. That's the road we came up and turned down and went up to the site. Probably walk up here now instead, Up the road here. Probably a bit tight going up here. I've got to watch the cars coming up. Catch you in a bit. Lee, why are all them apples in this water?
They must have fell out the tree.
Literally, into the water.
Yeah. I didn't realise you were the tree.
Big tree
You're a bit sour though.
It's bitter.
No, it ends up as cider.
Win-win.
Bex! Hello. We're walking through this field of here of sheep with a load of sheep. Sugar.
Sheep's milk.
I was going to say that.
Sheep toilet.
They don't care where they go, it's alright. Yeah, as you can see, apparently this way is down to the church. Or a church. So there's that river still. It's a bit calmer down here. Lee has been chucking loads of apples in the water. Naughty. A bit calmer down here, this bit. No, calmer as in the water. It's a bit calmer as well. Yeah, they don't go down here so much when they got the toilet. Seeing where all them apples are now. Still looks quite shallow in there. A lot of fishing points down here, each one. Not many fishermen about though, but sure has been in the past. Yeah, we'll carry on. Catch you later. Down by the river. You walking the plank? That river is wide there. Split. A bit of an island in the middle. Where's the apples? Yeah, it's very rocky bed this is. Look at it here again, just up the top where we were there. It's all rocky. This is another little stream coming into the main river. It's not fall in. Better put this gate back. The gate shut behind. Because we had a lot of rain just this morning, well after this afternoon, that's why it's running so fast I suppose. Cross the bridge to the other side. Won't be so much sheep boo here. We hope. Where's this church anyway? Over the next bridge. And we'll carry on. Catch you in a bit. Well guys, we found the church. There it is. There's the other bridge. Gizzy's rocking his new coat. He's waterproof. Oh Giz. Yeah man. That's a bit wet down here though. Muddy. What are you doing? He's already dried out once, hasn't he?
Yeah.
That's the beauty of the diesel night heater in there, and into the toilet drying room.
Yes.
Dried it all out. Have they come across the bridge, the others? Big slabs of rock. Definitely very rocky riverbed. The battery's just flagged up low. Good job I brought another one with me, wasn't it? So, catch you in a bit. We have more power guys, so full 100% battery now. And we just nearly forgot, this is our 50th vlog. Vlog. That's the one. Picture thing that comes out on YouTube. You know what I mean? Guys, we just remembered this is our 50th vlog thingy on YouTube there. So, thumbs up, press that button, subscribe. Don't fall in, Lee, else that will be a good 50th one. Lee, watch what you're doing. Oh, it's quite a long bridge and all.
Oh my god.
Watch Gizzy. Keep him on a short lead. God, that's a well-made one. We weren't followed over then.
They went right us.
No. Some people behind us before. Look at the view over there.
Sensible.
More like, yeah. Is it a dodgy bridge?
Yeah, they're loose.
Oh dear. Made it to the other side. So yeah, guys, this is our 50th vlog here on this here YouTube. So I've been videoed at the same time. So yeah, it's a bit rocky, that bridge, isn't it? That there says footpath this way. Isn't that? Oh, it is a bit. Wow.
Pretty safe.
Yeah, it feels like it. Where's them apples?
It splits into two.
Yeah, I think it does. Well, no, it's split it there, and I don't know here. Goes on down then. Don't rock the bridge. Who's locking? Claire's doing that now. Look at it. It's a bit bowy, that bridge. It'll fall in the water now. We can't get back over. That be the church, yeah? You going for some wine, are you, Lee?
Yeah, and crackers.
Crackers. Wonder what church that is. I'll have to have a look in a sec.
Come back tomorrow, Sunday school.
Yeah, watch these dogs. Watch these dogs. Dogs loose. Nice old church. Chapel or whatever it is. I think that's the way to the church, that way, where they are. Watch out, this dog coming.
Down my jacket and please.
Gives you look a bit wet, mate. He says, who are them friends over there? Hi, friends. Oh, Rambo. Come on, Giz.
They're off me down this way.
There's a gate there.
I'm going to walk through the church then.
I've got to do nothing. I've got to do anything.
It says, do not let your dogs poo in the graveyard.
Wash machine on site.
What?
Wash machine on site.
He's locking us in. Are we going through here then down
You're
then?
allowed your dog in there. It says don't let your dog foul in the front.
That means just don't let him.
So you can't let the dog poo.
Giz, mate, you can't poo in here, sorry mate. He says, watch this.
I can.
Oh, really?
You're talking about humans.
Humans? Who's humans? Come on then. Catch you the other side. Back. Church is the Saint Mary of Magdalena, which is dates back to the 16th century, 17th century, late 16th century, 17th century. A little Hereford on the sign here. Saint Mary Magdalena, Little Hereford, the Church of Saint Mary. So there you have it. That dates back to some years The guys are just checking out inside because it's open and welcome to anyone to go in. That's why we found out some of the stones what have you inside date back to the late 16th century going on to 17th century. That's old. It's St. Mary Magdalena. Guys, the church is called St. Mary Magdalena. Yeah. Of Little Hereford. So yeah, we'll carry on. See you in a bit. Car!
Should we do a drill?
Ended up on the road, come back shortcut, some shortcut!
Can be a speed camera.
Yeah, speak camera. Yeah. Good. We're in the middle of the road. There we are, back by the pub. Pub? Tar! Tar!
If there is something we need, it's
Real
a
one
leap
this
of
time.
faith.
No.
A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you.
Pub back there, guys.
How far can you see? How far do you think you can
Quick,
run?
yep.
Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare.
There we
You
are.
have the will and a moment to spare. It's a beautiful world
Oh, building.
out there.
Car coming.
It's a beautiful world out there.
Car, so.
It can be a bit frightening. It's something you don't know.
So, there. Remember that?
You need a little
Brook
enlightenment.
of some sort, yeah.
It'll make you grow.
Right, let's get around this corner
It's
now.
a beautiful
It's
world
a
out
blind corner.
there. Just don't pass on the
Oh,
dare.
man!
If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there.
Man!
It's a beautiful world out
Nice little
there.
brook running down there under the.
It's a beautiful world out there. And just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
So yeah, back at the pub. Bye for now.